What is up, guys? This is Lsaverftw checking in. Welcome back to my channel, and also welcome back to a brand new pickups review. So today we're going to be talking about the organic blue Japanese denim. This is my latest pickup, and I've had this for a couple of days now. This is one of my favorite grabs recently because I seen these kind of floating around. For some reason, different countries got these pants or denim way before we did in the US, and these have been floating around a couple days now, or just this week. So like shipments, I guess, is barely coming in. If you see them hanging on a rack or something, definitely grab it. But if not, you're gonna have to contact your local sales advisor, or you might have to contact your local Balenciaga and just kind of ask for some details if you're interested in buying something like this. This pair of denim retails at $1,550. This is a Japanese denim, and it was made in Japan. Now the label says this is dirty pale blue. To me, the pant itself looks like a medium indigo, and that's just the way it looks like to me. You guys might think it looks a little bit darker, a little bit lighter, but it really depends on the lighting as well. For this particular fit, I went with orange shoes, and they kind of match perfectly together. I paired them up with a pair of techno clogs. I know people like either love them or kind of hate those techno clogs, so it really depends on how you style them. But if you like them and you're comfortable wearing something like that, definitely do what makes you feel comfortable. Anyways, guys, this pair of pants is highly detailed, the distress work on both knee areas, and it has a little bit of distressing on the right lower portion of the pant as well. And what is extremely detailed about this pant is the back of the denim. It's very Vetements, where they have the cutouts right in the middle, so it exposes any heel of your sneakers, so it's like a really nice touch for the pant. Now for this pair of denim, I went with a size medium, and I think they fit perfectly fine in a medium. Definitely one bit of advice: if you guys are going out there and copying distressed denim, try to get something where the blowouts fit the correct areas. Sometimes people want these jeans to fit extremely baggy. The blowouts will just go like near your shin or near the bottom areas. That's probably not the intended look, but just try to get something close where the blowouts meet the correct area, so the pants will, you know, essentially look better when you have them on. So that's pretty much the pant right here. It's a 5-pocket pant. It has Balenciaga buttons, and it has butterfly opening, and it also has Balenciaga rivets and a Balenciaga back tag. So that's pretty much the pant right here, and pretty much most the fitting work I kind of just did while I was inside Balenciaga. I hope you guys like this pickup that I recently got, and if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop your comments down below. And last but not least, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Lsaverftw signing out. Peace.